In this tutorial we will see how to make this effect. Firstly, import your media which you want to use. So, now click on Stock Media. Then Image to Video. Then Video Inspiration. Then Motion. Then click on Earth Zoom In Motion. And then select your image here. You can choose ratio here which you want. After it, click on Generate. It will take a couple of seconds. Now, it's done. So add it to your timeline. Now, add all rest of image like this. Now, we are ready to add transition. Firstly, we will add shake zoom in transition. Like this. Then, I will add flip up transition like this. Now we will add effect. We will apply 4 to 5 effect one by one. First one is flash exposure. Second one is fuzzy effect. Third one is luma sharp. Fourth one is flicker jitter. Then shake effect. After it, just copy effect from here, like this. And then select all image and then paste the effect. Now we will add music to it. You can add it according to your taste. So now, it's ready to export.